Okay.
Okay.
Weather's warming up. Got a couple sales today. Not many. But we'll do what we can.
Yeah. So I'm just glad to see there was.
Yeah.
This truck ever dirty?
Yeah, totally, eh? Okay.
You have to go get fuel first.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go do that. Okay.
Okay.
Going south?
Yeah.
Just filled the truck. 90 bucks. We buy our gas in liters, and right now it's about $1.15 a liter. And how many liters in a gallon?
Almost 4.
Oh goodness. So we're paying $4.60 a gallon. Woo!
Is that it though? Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Who's that?
My mom. And their new Jeep.
Yeah. Nice new wheels. Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, that is some slippery ice. Look who it is. Be careful. It's really slippery.
Yeah.
I almost just ended up on my butt.
What do you think of Mom's new glasses?
Oh yeah, those are nice. Oh, there's people lined up.
Oh my goodness.
Is it inside the house then?
Yeah. I guess we better hurry up and get in line. Okay, where are you going?
I don't know, where are you going?
I'll go this way. Now that's a big book.
That is a big book, isn't it? Hammond's New World Atlas. Oh, goodness. What year that is. Oh, so big.
Hold that one for high.
Yeah, 47. It's just not quite old enough for my liking, but that is cool. Stay past you here. Okay. Okay. Hey, Kay, how are you?
Running like crazy as usual.
Yeah, I bet.
You know me.
Yeah, I do.
I know. Does she never stop? Okay, thanks. Yeah.
Oh, isn't that cute?
Yeah, it's got some marks.
Oh,
but
that's
I don't
okay.
know. It's old.
You might be able to get that out.
It's water.
OxyClean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Paper for yourself. No, you know, whatever you need paper for. Hi. Okay, hi. We are really busy. I was looking for you at 9 o'clock. Okay.
Look at this piece, hey?
I know.
That is cool. That is really
I
nice.
already eyeballed it.
Probably not for
And that
sale,
clock
is
is
it?
nice too.
Oh
but
yeah.
I don't know.
not for sale
I
either.
imagine. Can you imagine how heavy that would be?
This thing?
Yeah.
Oh, I know. That's one solid.
I'm tired just looking at it.
Yeah. Just thinking about lifting it.
Yeah.
Tired.
Yeah.
Okay.
See this?
Is it Crusette?
It's pretty used on the inside though. No, it's not Le Creuset.
No. So I don't really know then.
Okay. Nope. Put that down a little harder than I anticipated.
Nothing under your table is for sale.
Okay.
Did you go out on the deck at all?
No, I didn't. Would you like to?
Yeah, I might as well peek out there, see what's going on.
Did you see that? It's from the 47. That
Holy, is it ever
Atlas.
huge?
Yeah, it's huge. It's nice, but it's not like super old or anything.
No. Yeah, I don't. It'd be good if somebody wanted to frame,
Yeah.
because they're nice and big, but.
Yeah.
Close that. Nothing out here, I don't think. Oh, there's another, but this one's really rough. It's got all the enamel chipped off the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Once the enamel's gone, it's not good. I'm going back in.
Okay. Well, we're not finding much here.
Oh, sorry. One more quick tour in the living room and then we can. I bet it smells really good. What was that?
Oh, there you are. We thought maybe you left
Yeah,
already.
I was like, no. Yeah, I thought, there's no way you looked at everything that quickly.
Oh, yes.
How
Oh,
could we
yes.
not? And that too, hey? I know. So nice.
You found something.
Mom found it for us.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's even got something written on the stopper.
Yeah.
What does it say?
Old dirt.
I don't know.
Is there such a thing as new dirt?
I don't.
Maybe not.
Yeah. I guess it's all old.
Light.
I know.
Wow. Look at those crystals on it, eh?
like
Almost like Swarovski.
rosaries.
Because
Yeah.
the-
It
all
does
the-
look
the-
like rosaries.
the piano and the piano bench, $30.
Because it costs $300 to move it.
It does. You're right. That's not even a joke.
No.
Oh, look at this candelabra.
I know, I saw that too.
Wooden candelabra. That's
That doesn't seem very safe.
no kidding, eh?
This is what is what? There.
Look at this fabric.
Yeah.
I know. Yes. Yeah.
That faux fur there.
Yeah, it's really soft.
Oh, it is really soft too.
Yeah, 10, okay, Nancy, you've got 10 for the fabric.
Bread.
Bread. That's what it says. Hold it up to the light.
I don't know if you'll be able to tell.
Yeah, it
It
says
says
bread.
bread. Yeah, I don't know why.
That's odd.
Bread? You put it on it or put this on the bread? I'm very confused by this.
Yeah. It's unusual.
Thank you.
Did I have something similar to that?
Oh, the whole table. The leg.
Yeah. Too much money in there.
Yeah.
Scared me. So why is there a fight or what's happening? This is my grandma Edie.
Yeah.
Let's take
Oh, they're so gross feeling too. That horrible, like Fortrell.
Well, you need some
Yeah.
because as I call out numbers to you now, the other
Every little piece of skin that isn't attached will get caught on that.
thing is
Well, I think we're good. Just pay for this. Here, hold that for a second.
Hello.
Hi, this was in the 25-cent box.
Isn't that beautiful? Well, I found that there was another teeny weeny little one.
Oh,
Too.
oh, maybe it fell off when you. Oh, there it is.
Oh, yeah.
Good eye.
Good eye. Well, if you like that, that goes home with you too.
Oh, thank you. That's so tiny, hey? Must be potent.
Careful.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Have a wonderful afternoon.
You
You
too.
as well.
Bye.
Bye.
5-4.
Somebody else say that?
Yeah. The girl running the jewelry table. Oh. Your mom was standing right beside her.
Oh.
Thought we were saying bye to her.
That's funny.
Yeah. She's like, bye.
Aw. Oh, like, that is just tiny.
That is pretty tiny. What does it say? Calandra Paco Roban.
Yeah. That is the smallest one.
Yeah.
Oh, you should show this house. This is a heritage house in our city.
Oh, is it?
It's so cute. Yeah, see?
Oh, yeah,
there's
it's got the
sign.
plaque on the outside here.
Yeah. So we could do that too, but I don't want to. The doll's house.
The doll's house.
But look at the windows and stuff. Isn't it cute?
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very rustic almost.
And
eh?
the shutters, how they're like off. Like
yeah.
they're,
Yeah.
I know. It's a cool house.
I don't know about the color. It's an interesting design though.
I think that is original. I don't, once it's a
You could be right.
Once it's a heritage home, you can't really change the color.
Yeah.
Everything on the
There's a lot of
outside,
restrictions.
everything on the outside has to be the way it is.
Yeah.
Like if a window breaks, you have to get another wooden window made, and
Yeah.
so that part is expensive, but it's
Cool.
good. It's good that they're preserving these neat old homes.
Yeah. Yeah. No. Right on.
Yeah.
Didn't find too much, but
No, this one.
a couple little cute bottles.
Yeah. That little guy.
Can you tell what it says on the top of the stopper there?
It says Worth on the back. It's not in English.
Oh, it's not.
No. Dansla Quit, which is pronounced 100% wrong. The way I just said it, but that's what it looks like. D-A-N-S La.
Oh, dans la nuit.
Oh, is it
In
an
the
N?
night. Yeah,
Oh.
in the night. That's French for in the night.
Ah. And then this is the one that she gave me. It's so small. So, yeah, that fell off her table. And I found it for her when the table crashed.
And you know what the brutal thing is? We make gas here in our city. We've got an oil refinery. And they sell it to other places in Canada and to the US for cheaper than we can buy it here ourselves. Is that not ridiculous?
I know.
Oh, climb the curb. Clean the tire.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oakley dokley.
Ugly duckly. Oh.
Nice. What are you doing?
Through the handle. Like 2 points.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right through the handle.
go in the
Down into the pocket. Yeah. That should be 3 points actually. That's a 3-point shot.
I don't know if it's 3 points.